the Ray and Nephew Contender!
Welcome back to the show that keeps you on your toes, sticking and moving. We are the Ray and Nephew Contender, brought to you in association with Ting and Fly Jamaica Airways. Now remember that for the summer body, the Fit Farm Fitness Club is the place to go. So be sure to check them out at 2 Upper Braemar Avenue in Kingston. So boxing fans were just delighted to hear that one of the more exciting boxers that they feel didn't get a fair shake is going to get a second crack at it tonight. He went toe-to-toe with one of Jamaica's best, and tonight he faces one of our young warriors. How him feel about this? Well, let's find out from Dave Fast and Furious LeBlanc.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend.
Je me sens très bien. Je suis content d'avoir les fans derrière moi. Et on va leur donner un bon spectacle. Ouais, c'est un combat serré. La décision, ça me dérange pas plus que ça. Je suis de retour, puis je pense que les fans veulent revoir LeBlanc contre Davis 2. Fait qu'on va s'arranger pour l'avoir.
We know very little about him. All we know is that he's got a very powerful blows. I think very powerful backhand. So we're gonna go in there and study for maybe a round, and then we'll step up the pace slowly as we know how we situate ourselves in this fight.
Yo, be some boy in a chat.
You hear them for yourself? You see them? Where am I van?
No.
Alright. No, say nothing more.
Bonne chance pour demain, puis on va donner tout qu'un spectacle.
So Dave says, Nico Yayo, good luck to you, and let's give a good spectacle to the Jamaicans.
Well, crazy talk, make them know so we not scared. Them and them gang a plan, tell them we prepared. But them go empty out, then a pound with bass. Talk them attack.
Fast and Furious showing his good sportsmanship as always. Dave is back with Fire Nam Yai this time around. So let's hear what he has to say to Patrick Anderson.
Thank you very much. Patrice Trudeau will be translating here at this time. He is the trainer of Dave LeBlanc. You were disappointed on last. Both of you showed a lot of class. When you got the call that you were back in the contender, what was the reaction like?
Well, we're very happy. I couldn't really actually believe it. You know, we were waiting still to find out what was going on, you know, with the whole Tetsi Davis issue. But when we got the call, said, you know, guys, you guys are back in. A guy decided that he couldn't make it, and then he wanted you to fill in the boots. So, being back in Jamaica, it's a love affair, so we're really happy.
What did Dave say?
Qu'est-ce que tu as dit, toi, de savoir qu'on venait dans le contender?
J'étais vraiment content. Écoute, j'adore boxer ici. Le monde sont vraiment cool. Fait que je suis vraiment content d'être de retour.
He said he was really, really happy. It's a joy to be boxing here in Jamaica. The people are very nice. So it's a pleasure to be back.
His opponent, Nico Yayo, making his pro debut tonight. 2 fights for LeBlanc. A lot of experience at the amateur level for both. What will be the big difference tonight?
I think still the speed. And we call him the Fast and Furious. Again, we'll show you that exact point. We're going to make a statement tonight. We've been working on different things. And the speed is going to come into play very early in the fight.
Thank you very much. Good luck, gentlemen. And so we'll see what happens tonight. If Dave LeBlanc can impose himself on Nico Yayo, or will the power of Nico tell tonight? It's back up to Crystal.
One young, hungry warrior eager to prove his skills. His opponent, an indignant pugilist, coming back for redemption. Who will have their way tonight? Will the Knockout Kid live up to his name, or will Dave be just a bit too fast and furious for his rival? After this break, we have the main event between Nico Knockout Kid Yayo and Dave Fast and Furious LeBlanc. Keep it locked to the Ray and Nephew Contender.
It's the Ray and Nephew Contender! contender.